Hey guys, welcome back. It is Melissa here. I was super excited and quite nervous to film this video. It has already been filmed. I had done an introduction, but after filming it, I thought I better redo the introduction so I could preface things. So I am filming today my organizing, setup, makeup setup, organization system, filming situation today, okay? So this came about because someone commented that they wanted to see, well, I've had lots of comments that you guys want to see what my setup is like and how I organize my makeup, but then someone also said they wanted to see my Shop My Stash, like actually picking out the products from the drawers. I think I'm crooked now because I was traveling with my camera to film everything, so I may be a little crooked. And I was not organized at all, so I've actually been working on that so that the next Shop My Stash I can go through stuff. However, after filming this, I've realized how difficult it is to film at angles and keep the camera steady. So that's why I wanted to come to you before you I can't do this. We gotta fix this. I think that's better. That's why I wanted to come to you guys beforehand and just apologize if it's a little wobbly. I hope you don't get seasick while you're watching this video, but I think I maintained steadiness most of the filming, but it was kind of difficult to film. This is the first time I've ever filmed anything but just having the camera look at me, so we'll see how this goes, but I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think of it, what questions you have, anything like that. It's not going to be, I'm not going through every little bit of makeup for this video. I'm just showing you where things are located, how I have it organized. I'm going to show you some of the setup back here. Before we get into all of that, if you're new here, I do hope that you guys will stick around, click that red subscribe button. You know how helpful it is to me, and I appreciate you guys so much. All right. Let's go ahead and jump into it. I do want to mention that I don't like to spend a ton of money on things that I don't have to spend a ton of money on. So I'm going to tell you where I got stuff and things like that, but I don't have like the big, are they Alex drawers? Whatever those drawers are called. I don't have those. I don't have a cute filming space. I am very fiscally thoughtful with how I've set up things. So maybe that will be helpful to you as well. But I guess let's go ahead. This is why I'm nervous, because I'm not really sure how to go about doing this. I guess let's go ahead and start with my desk. I'm going to have to kind of move the camera around. So before I start with that, let me show you guys, because you're going to see this. So this is actually set between two doors. So this is set between a closet door and a bathroom door in my bedroom against a wall. So I have a very small filming space, and that's why all my makeup is not here for me to be able to show you all of it. This is a small portion. So this backdrop here I purchased from Amazon. I think it was like $12 or something, just to give me something else of a backdrop. And then as I've organized the rest of the desk, I've kind of been working on it and trying to bring different heights to it for filming. So a lot of my makeup area is set up for the purpose of having a filming background. Let me get some coffee. This is my coffee and mascara mug from Hobby Lobby. It was like, the price is not on there. I think it was like under $5 with the 40% off coupon. Okay, so I would never show you the rest of my room that my filming space is in, because it's our bedroom and that's our space. But I do have this old stool is what I set in front of the chair to put all of my makeup on when I'm filming. The desk that all of my makeup is on, see, this is, okay, so this is why I'm nervous about filming it. This desk my sisters found on the side of the road. Actually, so they got that desk for me. They didn't get it for me. They got it for my son because he was needing a desk, but then I was like, I'm taking that because it's kind of cute and I can set up my makeup on it. But my son got a super, super cute desk. My lights are taped up with duct tape, so they just fell down. And actually these, I'm not going to repurchase these. So I put new batteries in all of them. I've already thrown out 2 or 3 sets of lights, and then 2 of them up here are not even, like, they're not working either. So I have 2 left. So I don't know what I'm going to do next with lights, but I'm not going to keep repurchasing fairy lights that keep on running out. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but it's not going to be that. Okay, let me go ahead and take this down. So let's go ahead and start with the top of the desk. So this is a wooden storage container. I do sell 31. I don't know if you've heard of it or not, but they make a lot of stuff. Wooden storage things are one of them. You can personalize them. So this one's personalized with wake up and makeup. It has got 3 different areas in here. Whoa, this is dusty. So this has like my bigger makeup brushes in it. And then over here, so you guys saw me unbox this in my FabFitFun box. Let me know what you want me to put on that. This here I just got at Home Goods for $8. It is like it's on a lazy Susan. So in this one, this was super, super messy before, okay? I always sat in front of it so you couldn't see the top of it because it was just always a mess. In here I have got my lip liners. This is glosses that I use frequently. This is some things that I just got I'm trying out. So like right now my ColourPop liners and mascara are in there. And then this is all my liquid black liners is what's in there. And then over here, you can see that? This is like old craft storage I use, so I pulled that over here, and you can see, like, I have this stuff set up so it kind of covers this because it's just not very cute. And then, so this is probably the point where I need to bring the camera over here, right? Yes, I think so. So up here I just have nude bullet lipsticks. Here I have got, what's in here? Red, burgundy bullet lipsticks, and then in the bottom one I have pinky, purple, coral bullet lipsticks. I can't believe I have so few of those shades. But I have a ton more. So here's all my ColourPop lippies. These are all my Sephora lipsticks that I love. And then Appy from ColourPop, that is one of my favorites, along with Fuel. I really like nude orange ones. This is another nudie orange one. There's 2 L'Oreal Color Reach ones in there because I really like that. So this has ones that I use a lot and kind of go together aesthetically. What's this? Oh, that's the Kat Von D liquid thing. This is a 2 Ofra ones. And then up here, so I took old lids from bottles and I just sort out some of my perfume samples right up here. And also my lash glue is up there in one of those, so it stands up in one of the bottle tops. This is super hard to set up with the light and the camera and have it be steady. Because I know when I watch them where people are holding them, it's not steady. So forgive the angle. This one is from Amazon. So affordable, $11.99. I went to Home Goods and they were like $20 or something dollars. I think I'm going to get another one and then I'm going to get rid of this. And then I'll show you this area in a minute because I really like this one because the drawers are skinnier so you can fit, like you can see what's all in it. You can't even see that one. Okay, so on the top are kind of the more pinky nudie glosses. These are all glosses on top, no liquid lipsticks there. The next one is nude. I guess most of these are liquid lipsticks. Nude and corally. And then the next one is pinks and purples. And then I've got more like burgundy, darker orange, brown shades. And the bottom is red and purpley, darker, everything left over. So that's my lipsticks organized. I used to have all my lipsticks just in one bin on top of well, they weren't all here. Half of them were, let me get in the camera to talk to you guys. half of them were in a pouch in another room because they didn't all fit on my desk in that bin. So I love how they're organized now, and I can see them, and so affordably organized as well. Okay, moving on. Let me get the camera moved out of the way here. I think that's as good as angle as I'm going to get for this side. So over here, this is a box, no, Birchbox boxes. I kept all of these because I thought someday they're gonna be really cute for something. And now I'm using a lot of them. So this is the Birchbox box with all my setting sprays in it. And then I've got some beauty blenders. And this, I'm trying out this Beauty Bakery powder, which I don't really think I'm a fan of. So that's just in there. I have 2 old candle things from Bath and Body Works that, oh, you can see that one, that I keep all of my eye brushes in. And usually, like, one of them sitting here for filming, you know, so just creating that height. And then this is going to be super funny to you. So I have this box is another one of the boxes that I sell. So I have Melissa Ann Beauty on there. Okay, tell me this. I'm thinking about changing my YouTube channel name, and I'm dusting while we're here. Gosh, I should have done that first. Gross. So I'm thinking of changing my YouTube channel name to just Melissa Ann Beauty. What do you think of that? Is that going to affect me? Tell me what you know about that. So this is a multitude of palettes that I need to find a way to organize, and I'm not sure how. This is most of my colorful palettes, I would say, and they just fit in here really nicely. And then under it I have more palettes that hold it up for height purposes for filming. And then these are a lot, well, here's some more palettes actually. Oh, that's a nude one, neutral one. A lot of these are fillable palettes. Actually, almost everything is, except these. So everything else here are my fillable palettes, and I just don't know where I want to store these yet, because I want them to be, I mean, I use them a lot, and I want them to be near me. I really just need to go through here and take out, like, I never use my Naked palettes. What are they doing in there, right? I just need to go through, get rid of the palettes I'm not using, and reorganize all of these palettes, because I need my Juvia's Place ones like right front and center, because I use those all the time. So that is how I have some of my palettes organized. That's the top of my desk. So now we're going to move, I think I am going to have to hold this. My floor is super dirty because it's stained with eyeshadow right now. I need to shampoo it. These are all of my colorful gel liners. And I have got lots of more neutral ones like blues, browns, blacks that I don't have over in this area. These are all my mascaras that I'm currently using. There's a ton. I need to go through and swap these out because some of them are from last summer. Gross. Right here are all of my more used blushes. I have another bin of blushes, but I don't use them very often, so they're not right up here. These are just kind of extra things, lip glosses, and some things I don't use. Oh, there's another bronzer. I was wondering where my bronzers were. Well, let me put this on. Okay. Here's all highlighters. And then back here, I've got, these are liquid. There's one of my color switch pans that I created myself. This is my lipstick sharpener. These are all liquid eyeshadows. And these are glitter liners and things like that. And then just like some single pots of things right there. And these are all in Birchbox boxes. So I use those to organize because they were free. I'll talk to you about what's down on the ground in a minute. Let's go over here. Here on the first one, in the back are a ton of neutral palettes. I probably need to get rid of those, not get rid of, but put somewhere else. And then put all of my, what are these called? All of my singles here because I use those obviously way more often. Then these are all brow products. Here's some more brow products. These are all eyeshadow primers right here. These are more brow products in a cute little benefit tin that I kept. And then I just got some makeup wipes, Q-tips, blotters, things like that right there. Over here, I've got another container that I got from Home Goods that I don't think I'm going to keep. And let's go down to this drawer. Here are all my powders. Then right here, I've got foundations. And then right here, what is in here? Extra lotions, I think, is right here. And back here are just some lipsticks that I've gotten in boxes that I haven't tried. They're just in a little Sephora bag right there. We have got primers and concealers. So lashes, a Sol de Janeiro bronzing glow oil thing, and mascaras that I need to try so far. Need to try at some point. These are empties. These are, I don't know why I have these boxes here. I do, these are boxes of things I need to recycle or something. And then this right here is my basket of hold items for June so far. And right here are tons of just samples I get with orders. Like probably mostly Ulta and Sephora orders, samples. That was it. I hope that went good. I won't know till I go and edit it, but I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!